Good morning guys, I have just had the most exhilarating ride to my meeting in London. It's the first time I've taken the booster board out in London. It is pretty crazy, weaving in and out of traffic. I'm a little bit late, but I made it. It was actually the fastest way for me to get here. So I looked at like trains, cycling, walking, but this is the one. So I've just had a fun meeting with my YouTube partner manager, and now I'm staying around for some lunch. It is packed in the canteen here at Google. Look outside. Oh, what a nice day. This is Jenny, she works at YouTube. She asked to have a go at the boosted board, so we've gone out to a little courtyard here, and she's gonna give it a little go. Yeah, go for it. So brace when you start accelerating, crouch a bit more and then lean forward into it as you're going. Yeah, how are you finding it?
So cool but terrifying.
Yeah, it is terrifying.
Yeah.
So I am leaving YouTube now, and I need to go and buy a new Magic Mouse from the Apple store because me trying to fix it the other day did not work, even though I spent like an hour like washing it and drying it out in rice and stuff. So I tried, but I'm going to cruise over to Oxford Street now on the boosted. I've just realised I think Covent Garden Apple Store is actually a little bit closer, so I'm going to head over there. I've got that sorted. Now heading to the other side of London where I parked. I just need to try and find all the smooth roads because these cobblestones are a nightmare. This is a lovely floor though. This is like a marble floor. Hello. Guys, 2 parking tickets in a row. That's annoying. I tried to pay for it, but I guess it didn't work. Right, I'm at my friend Amy's house and we're playing with her cat. And I just put it on the boosted board. Check this out. Yeah, that's it. Hi. Bye. So I've just spent a few hours with my friend Amy. That was really nice. Mike and Dan have been down at the bus today doing some more of the renovation, and they've just given me a call saying we should meet up for a drink and a bit of a recap and brainstorming and just planning and stuff. So they're going to meet me at a pub in Cobham. They said they'd come and pick me up, but I said no, don't worry about that, I've got my booster board, so I'm jetting down there on the board to meet them. It's a very lovely day today. I've met up with the boys after jetting down here fast on the boosted board. We've just got some food, just got some dinner. Mike is showing me some of the plans. This is the initial plan, but apparently a lot has changed today. They got some experts in to give some opinions on weight distribution and holding the tanks and stuff. So Mike's just slowly breaking the news to me and talking me through what we're going to be doing.
Very slowly.
Was it a good day? Good day of work?
Yeah, very good day. Yeah, I've sorted all sorts out. Your chili oil's here.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Can I get you anything else?
I think we're good.
Great,
Thanks.
Off to you.
So I've just agreed with Mike to meet them at 8:30 in the morning, another very early morning for me, to go to the bus and sort through a lot of my unnecessary belongings that I have cluttering the boom bus and the other bus. And then I'm only around till lunchtime. I'm heading up for a meeting in London again. But I don't want to leave Mike and Dan to like sort this project out on their own. I'm obviously very passionate about it, but tomorrow night I'm flying, Raya's coming in, and then we're flying to Amsterdam for a day to work on quite a fun project. So yeah, I'm just juggling my time at the moment, but I'm pretty excited about the plans we talked through tonight and figuring out how we're going to get everything done. It is a very, very warm night tonight, and I've spent hours cruising around on the boosted board collecting Pokemon. I've actually taken over 4 gyms, and I know I said the other day I wasn't going to do this, but it's amazingly fun, and I don't think I've done anything like this for years where I've just, like, I haven't even been vlogging it, I've just been cruising around loving life. I think a big part of it is cruising around on the boosted board as well with completely empty roads. Look at this, and getting to top speed as well. Check it. This is seriously fast. Woo! Woohoo! So yeah, just cruising around, and I'm going to regret this tomorrow, but this is so fun. Oh, just so much fun. I've definitely become more confident on the booster board tonight. At one point I sat on it and basically boosted from the high street to my house, just sitting chilled, cross-legged, like leaning to steer. The roads were empty. It honestly, oh my gosh, I can't even describe how much fun it was. I'm gonna get some sleep now. It's gonna be a full-on day tomorrow. I've got a meeting in the morning, and I'm meeting with Raya, and then what we're doing, we're heading to the airport, we're meeting with some other friends, and we are flying to Amsterdam. So pretty crazy. No, actually, first of all, I'm gonna go to the bus and help Mike out for a couple of hours. Yeah, full-on day. And I will catch you in a few hours. Peace out, enjoy life, and live the adventure. Boom.